Man, oh man, what we got here? Shit. Oh, what? Early 90 building with a big ass furnace. 2 of them removed and abandoned. We gotta check this one out, brothers.
My buddy's son-in-law, he does ACs and furnaces too.
Well, she's holding for now, but damn, I don't like this, man. This could burn the whole motherfucking building. Damn it. Only put a new transformer on it, which is good. I just don't like the way the flame rolled back out. Did you see that?
Yeah, I did.
Shit.